देखो, हमने कल 3.3 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक किए. आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. If A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A transpose A is equal to I. I stand for identity matrix. Now first we have to find A transpose. A transpose, that is equal to, it means we have to change the row in the column. So first row, first column, cos alpha sin alpha, then second row minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now put this value in this. It's cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and A is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we have to multiply this. First row, first column, cos into cos, cos square alpha, plus minus minus plus, sin into sin, sin square alpha. Now first row, second column, cos alpha sin alpha plus minus sin alpha cos alpha, plus minus minus. Cos alpha sin alpha. Now second row, first column, sin alpha cos alpha plus minus minus cos alpha sin alpha. Second row, second column, sin into sin, sin square alpha, cos into cos, cos square alpha. Now cos square plus sin square, that is 1, that is the identity. Cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha, that is 0. This one is 0, this one is 1. So this is equal to our identity matrix. हमने left hand side ली और prove किया that is equal to our right hand side. Now second part you can do yourself. Now I'm coming on our next topic, that is on page number 85. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. A matrix A is symmetric if its transpose is equal to itself. अगर हम उसका ट्रांसपोज निकालें तो वो मैट्रिक्स खुद वही आनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, फर्स्ट पार्ट, शो दैट द मैट्रिक्स A that is equal to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. Now find its transpose. A transpose, that is equal to 1 minus 1 5, first row first column, second row minus 1 2 1, second column, third row third column, that is equal to 5 1 3. So both matrices are equal. This one is equal to this, it means A equal to A transpose. So A is a symmetric matrix. Now second topic is skew symmetric matrix. If a matrix, if we take a matrix, if we take transpose of a matrix, then it is equal to minus of A. Then this is called our skew symmetric matrix. If its transpose equal to negative of that matrix, then that is called skew symmetric matrix. Take the question number 7, second part. Show that A is equal to 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 and 0. It's a skew symmetric matrix. So its transpose is equal to first row first column 0 1 minus 1, second row second column minus 1 0 1, last row 1 minus 1 0. Now we can see if we take negative common from this matrix, it means A transpose, we can take negative from this or this both. So take this matrix, minus of A is equal to minus of 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Now multiply minus inside it, so it's 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0. Then these matrices are equal. It means a matrix is a skew matrix. If we take the transpose of it, then it will negative of that matrix, then that is called the skew matrix. Now come at the page number 86. There is some theorem related to symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It's an important theorem. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. It means we have to prove this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric matrix. So let's take it as B. B is equal to A plus A transpose. It means we have to show B is equal to B transpose. Now B transpose, that is equal to A plus A transpose. Taking transpose both sides. Now this is equal to A transpose plus A transpose. क्योंकि पिछली क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था A plus B transpose, that is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So this is equal to A transpose plus A transpose, that is equal to A. This is our second property. A transpose is equal to A. Now I can write this A plus A transpose, and this is equal to our matrix B. So this is equal to B. So our left hand side is B transpose, that is equal to B. So it means this is a symmetric matrix. Now come at our next part. In the next part, we have to show A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So I am taking this as B. B is equal to A minus A transpose, and we have to show B transpose is equal to negative of B. So taking transpose both sides, B transpose, that is equal to A minus A transpose, that's transpose. This is B transpose, that is equal to A transpose minus A transpose. So B transpose is equal to A transpose minus A. Now take the negative sign common. B transpose is equal to negative A minus A transpose, and this is equal to B. So B transpose is equal to minus of B. It means it's a skew symmetric matrix. Now come at our next theorem. Proof is not required, only the statement is required. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we can write A as, suppose A is any square matrix, so we can write it as A is equal to half of A plus A transpose minus plus half of A minus A transpose. We can prove it also. So I can multiply this. This is half of A plus half of A transpose plus half of A minus half of A transpose. This one is cancelled. So half of A plus half of A, that is equal to A. So both are equal. So this one is our symmetric matrix and this one is our स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, इससे पहले वाली थ्योरम में हमने ये प्रूव किया था. सो वी कैन राइट अ मैट्रिक्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सिमेट्रिक and as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now come at the exercise. Our next question, question number 8. For the matrix A is equal to 1, 6, 5, 7. Verify that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So try this question yourself. And question number 9 also. We have to find the value of half of A plus A transpose and half of A minus A transpose. I am coming on question number 10. Express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So take the next question. Question number 10, first part. I am doing only the one part, remaining are simple and you have to do yourself. Suppose A is a matrix that is 3, 1, 5 and minus 1. And we have to show this matrix as a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So it means we have to write it A is equal to half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. So first we have to find transpose. So A transpose, that is equal to first row, first column, second row, second column. Now put this value in this and we can find our value. So A is equal to half of A is 3, 1, 5 minus 1 plus A transpose, that is 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus half of A 3, 1, 5 minus 1 minus 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Now add these two matrices and subtract these two. So A is equal to half of 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. Plus half of 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 minus minus plus 1, that is 0. So multiply it by half, so we will get 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So we can express this matrix as a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now we can check our result by adding these two matrices. So 3 plus 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 minus 2, that is 1, minus 1 plus 0, that is minus 1. So this is our equal to this one matrix. So we have to leave our answer here. No need to add them, क्योंकि अगर हम ऐड करेंगे तो वही मैट्रिक्स हमें वापस मिलेगी. सो हमें इस फॉर्म में इसको कन्वर्ट करना था, तो वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू एंड लीव इट हियर. इफ यू वांट टू चेक योर आंसर, देन यू कैन सॉल्व इट, देन यू विल गेट द सेम मैट्रिक्स. So our third exercise is complete. Tomorrow we will do the next topic, that is important topic, inverse of the matrix. So I'm going to explain something, recap over our topic. Transpose, A transpose we can find by changing the row into column. Row को column में change करें तो we will get the transpose of that matrix. Then some properties, A plus B transpose, that is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, or we can take the negative sign also. A transpose transpose, that is equal to A, and A B transpose, that is equal to B transpose A transpose. उसके बाद हमने थ्योरम पढ़ी, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, and we can change, or we can write our matrix in the form of the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. So 3.3 में हमने ये सब पढ़ा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.